Regional Hospital in the heart of Sligo County, Ireland is a 7-storey, 350-bed hospital serving the medical needs of a population of over 60,000 people. It recently won Public Hospital of the Year at the Irish National Healthcare Awards in recognition of its commitment to improving the care to patients. A complete refurbishment of the hospital's fire detection and emergency lighting systems was completed in spring 2015 by Master Fire Life Safety Systems, utilising equipment manufactured by Hochiki, a leading life safety systems manufacturer with a global reputation for quality and reliability.
Master Fire took part in a competitive tender process for the project here at Sligo General Hospital. Like any acute hospital facility, there were a number of challenges which had to be overcome. Those included patient privacy, infection control, on-time completion and handover. Having previously completed similar projects, we again proposed FIREscape. The completed system now comprises of 34 FIREscape control panels, 3,800 lighting devices, 5 static inverters, as well as a fire alarm system with 49 control panels, 4,000 devices and a full graphics package.
Hochiki Life products are renowned for their utmost quality and highest reliability. This makes them absolutely ideal for installations into critical areas such as healthcare premises. Our FIREscape emergency lighting system is a modular LED system, which means it can be adapted to suit the size of the building. LED technology also means the running costs associated with the emergency lighting system are drastically reduced.
This Hochiki fire alarm emergency lighting project was executed whilst taking account of the stringent infection control guidelines which are necessary working in a live hospital environment.
The project was completed very quickly and with minimal disruption. Site meetings were held regularly here in the hospital, and they looked at health and safety and fire safety specific issues relating to the project. From an estate's perspective, the hospital now has a fire and emergency lighting system which is compliant.
This challenging project once again proves the flexibility and robustness of Hochiki's life safety equipment and how both our fire detection and emergency lighting systems provide features that benefit both the installer and the end user. For further information on Hochiki and its products, visit our website. To subscribe to the Hochiki YouTube channel, click the video now. Hochiki, your safety, our technology.